Time for ab work. Let's do this. Come to your mat. Lay on your back. Bring your hands behind your head. Feet by your hips. Inhale, lift the feet off the mat and bring it down. Stay on this flow of lifting the feet up and down. Don't touch the floor. Keep going. One more time. And move to the right, center, left. Come back to center. Drop the feet to the right. Engage the belly button towards the spine. Keep going. Warming the abdominal wall. Few more rounds here. Keep engaging the belly button towards the spine. Come into center and release the feet on the floor. Bringing the right foot on top of the left knee. Lift the shoulders and pulsate. Right elbow towards the right knee. A couple of times. Left elbow towards the right knee. Keep the pulsations going. Keep the elbows wide. Hold and mini pulsations. Come to center and release. Release the right foot and change sides. Lift the shoulders, left elbow towards the left knee. Pulsation, elbows wide. Keep looking up. Come to center. Right elbow towards the left knee. Pulsate, elbows wide. Looking up. Keep going. Keep moving. Small pulsations this side. Release and rest on the floor. Press your knees against your chest. Feel the life forcing moving through you. Breathe. Release the feet on the floor. Hands behind your head. Straight the right leg. Toes pointing towards you. Pulsate those hips up and down. Keep moving. Press the left foot on the mat. Keep pulsating and release. Opposite side. Straight the left leg. Lift the hips. Pulsation. Pulsation. A few more times here. In your own breath. Keep coming back to the breath. Release any tension in your face. Release the foot. Straighten those legs up to the ceiling and pulsate those hips now. Keep going. You can do this. If you have the strength, bring the shoulders off the mat and pulsate. Elbows wide. Keep looking up. Release any tension in your face. Release the pose and rock from side to side. Feel the life force running through. Place one foot on top of the other and rock back and forth. Give yourself a massage and come to seat. Straight back, hands by your hips. Press the feet in front of you. Getting ready for half bow. Straight back, bring one foot up and down, up and down. That's right. Keep on this flow for a couple of times. If you do have the strength, bring both feet off the mat. Straight back, engaging the abdominal wall. If you can, straighten the legs and bring the knees towards your chest. A couple of times here. You're welcome to go back to any of the previous variations. Place one foot on top of the other. Release the pose. Upper body. Rest the upper body on top of your legs. Stay here for as long as you like. Strong core. Vitality, health, energy. Congratulations. Ab work is done. Stay here for as long as you like.